Hello, my name's Mark Sturts and this is for SIT210 Embedded Systems Development, and this is my project. My project is a home security system where it uses a motion sensor here to detect any signs of motion. If motion has been detected, this camera will take a photo and video. It will not only send it to your Gmail, it'll also download it locally as well. So I'm currently using a remote desktop, so here is where my HDMI is set up here into this monitor, and I'm also using a remote desktop to control this. I'll tell you why in just a moment. In security, I have a source and emails. Emails is where they'll get stored locally. It just showed where your emails will be stored locally. I'll delete this. So that's where the photos. And source, here are my Python scripts. README is just showing you how to use the Python scripts appropriately in accordance to the breadboard and motion sensor. I'm currently using GPIO pin 25 for this example. So yes, so emails is empty, and I'll tell you what each script does. So the first script that will be run will be the sensor script. The sensor script has a very important job. So here it's got a video count for each video, and picture that's taken, it will display a count. So the idea is that this script will start the recording and start the picture. So it will take a picture, take a recording, and once it's stopped with a keyboard interrupt, it will use os.system to open the next Python file, which is send mail. In send mail, I use SMTPlib and emails, and I import email and MIME text, MIME multipart, MIME base, and MIME image. These will be used to get all of the attachments and download each attachment and send it. So here, this is file 1. So if there is a file named 1.jpg, this will attach the image to the message. So this goes from 1 to 4, and with video also goes 1 to 4 as well. So it will take the first 4 images and the first 4 videos of the detected motion data. And then once it's done, I have a try. It will send the email, it will print the email sent successfully, and then it will run Python local download. And this local download is pretty much what it says. It will locally download the data. So up here, I use email, and I actually use IMAPlib, which is used to download the data. So here it will download, here will get everything from the inbox. So I select the mail inbox, and it searches for any mail that is currently in my current inbox, and it will download it locally. So the way it saves, so here it says saves file to local machine. So it makes emails, then it has a date and the subject. So under emails, inside emails there'll be a folder which will have the date that it was recorded, and then it will have a subject which is recorded. And after that it will save successfully. So if I go to sensor.py and I run the program, here I can see that it's been running. Yep, hello, look at me. And this will be running and it will create those files here. We only need it to go up to 4. That's all we need. All right, sweet, we got it up to 4. Then we can use the command interrupt here, which is Control C to stop. And once I press Control C, it will now run the second Python script, send mail. So now here, we've got a little print, sending data to Gmail. Here is my Raspberry Pi's email. Yes, my Raspberry Pi has its own email. And from here, this is where the data will be sent. So no matter where you are, if you have this running and motion has been detected from this motion sensor, you will be able to access that from anywhere, which is, well, obviously the purpose of the security system. So the camera will take a photo and a video when motion is detected. This will detect the motion, and these 3 important scripts here, which is sensor, send mail, and local download. Well, the sensor will sense it, which is the scripts that runs these sensors. Send mail will send the mail to the Gmail, and local download will access my Gmail and download those files locally to the machine that the Raspberry Pi is hooked up to. Well, so it'll download itself. So say if you do not have any internet, when motion has been detected and you want to find out where, you want to find out what's been happening to your home, etc., you actually have a local download that will take place. So if you don't have access to the internet, no fear, under emails, you'll have your photos and videos saved there locally. So now it is currently waiting for this to happen. Unfortunately, my plan was to use multi-threading, but unfortunately, as I realized with the API, I can't use multi-threading on Gmail. So that was the plan, but unfortunately I was not able to execute this plan whatsoever. So now we're still having a look here. We'll go back to this here. It's a bit slow. This uses a lot of power from the Raspberry Pi to able to send and retrieve mail. Just give that a moment. And voila, look at that. We have now gotten inbox. We got a message from inside our inbox, and obviously sent from me. It says, motion detection system active. We click into this, and it'll have, oh, please excuse me. You'll have automated message, motion has been detected. A photo and video has been captured for each instance motion has been detected. So for each instance, motion has been detected, and there are 4 instances. So because there are 4 instances of motion being detected, there will be 4 photos and 4 videos. As you can see, there is photo 1, 2, 3, 4, and video 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can clearly see, yep, this is me recording, this is a JPEG, and this file format is actually H.H264, so we can actually download this. Show in Finder will be under Downloads. Open it with the video player, which is connected to my other monitor. So I'll switch that over, and here we have the VLC player, media player. And look, there's our 5-second video of me explaining how this is working. It works. Now, that is not it. That is not all of it. One final thing to show is that, actually I'll take you on the VNC viewer, my remote desktop. Finally, after all of this process, we can now go into emails, which was empty. We can see Thursday, 23rd of May, 2019. It's got the time there. Open it. Motion system active. If you notice, that is the same subject as, that is the same subject that was for my email. Now, if we enter motion active, it has downloaded each video and photo that instance that has been recorded from my Gmail, and it has also got the message part, which is the body. And as you can see, the body was automated message, motion has been detected, a photo and video has been captured for each instance motion has been detected. If I open that up, it should have the exact same body of text. Excuse me. There you go, automated message. There's the exact same as this. And this is my system. This system is a home security system, and I hope you enjoyed looking at it. Thank you so much.